The residents had repeatedly written applications to remove the dirt around it, but the health department failed to take care of it too. As a result, the residents appealed in the Taluka court, that is, court of the subdivision magistrate. So they appealed in the Taluka court. Okay. So in the next page you can see here, page number 29, there is one hierarchy given. You have to just go through it. How first the judgment is given by the taluka court, and if they are not satisfied, then district court, and then not other again satisfied, then high court and the supreme court. So you have to just read it. Next you have page number 30. Can any citizen appeal in a court? We have learnt that any citizen can appeal in a court for the protection of his or her fundamental rights. So, for their rights, they can appeal in the court. But in reality, poor people find it very difficult to go to the court. The legal procedures not only require a lot of money and paperwork, but also it is very time consuming. For a poor person who is illiterate and incurring irregular income, it becomes really tough to go to the court and demand justice. So it is not easy for a person, for a poor person, to go and file a petition in the court. Keeping this fact in mind, the Supreme Court announced the provision of the Public Interest Litigation, that is PIL. I have told the meaning before also. In the year 1980. With this, the Supreme Court has made an effort that maximum people can reach up to the court for justice. Any individual or institution can file a case on behalf of people from the deprived classes. If any of the fundamental rights are being violated, then a citizen can appeal straight in the High Court or the Supreme Court. After 1980, PIL was used to bring justice to many deprived sections of the society. Okay, example is given. PIL were filed to free laborers for inhuman labor or to release the prisoners from the jail in Bihar after their term of punishment was over. Here 2-3 lines are more given here. If the Supreme Court finds any PIL regarding fundamental rights and or its implementation inappropriate, then the court may punish the person, group of people or the institution. If it is wrong, then the person can also be punished. Okay.